Open a pack of edamame beans and then pour them out. Sprinkle some salt. Rub the pods against each other with hands and then rinse them thoroughly. Put water into a pot and bring it to a boil. Add edamame beans and salt. Wait until the water boils, lower the heat, cover the pot and simmer the beans for 5 minutes. Scoop up the edamame beans with sieve. Put the beans into a large bowl of cold water and drain well. Pat them dry with paper towel. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and serve. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.